and all lock on. Gentle guitar scan. They bring the drums. Deep bass slowly entering. Oh, yeah, yeah. Somewhere beyond the city lights, there's a place where love feels right. Come with me. Let the rhythm carry us home. Hey. I remember the first time your eyes met mine. Something in that moment felt so right. No perfect words, no grand display. Just two hearts fighting a brand new way. We've seen the seasons change around us. Heard the world get loud and try to surround us. But every time the pressure starts to grow, your hand reminds me where I need to go. Don't be afraid of the road ahead. Leave yesterday where it belongs instead. If we keep our faith and hold on tight, we can turn every shadow into light. Take me where our hearts belong, where love keeps beating like a timeless song, where every tear can turn to rain, and every sunrise heals the pain. Take me where the good vibes flow, where two strong hearts can grow and grow. No matter how far the journey may be, your heart has a home right here with me. Yeah. Whoa. Let the love flow. Yeah. Let the whole world know. Bassline rolling, island drums calling, heart beats rising, never falling. We don't need a mansion by the ocean, just a little faith and true devotion. Give me your laughter after hard day. I'll give you my strength when you're losing your way. Every scar we've earned along the road is a reminder of the strength we showed. And when tomorrow brings another test, we'll face it together and give our best. If the mountain stands between our dreams, we'll cross the river and follow the streams. No storm can keep the sun away. Love gives us courage for another day. Take me where our hearts belong, where love keeps beating like a timeless song, where every tear can turn to rain, and every sunrise heals the pain. Take me where the good vibes flow, where two strong hearts can grow and grow. No matter how far the journey may be, your heart has a home right here with me. Wheel it up, let the bassline roll. Step to the left, then step to the right. Good love shining underneath the night. No bad mind can break our connection. Love and respect are the true protection. From the Caribbean Sea to every shore, open your heart, give a little more. No border, no wall, no dividing line. Your joy is yours and your joy is mine. One love, one heart, one people, one star. One love, one family, one heart, one destiny, one hope. Rise again, one world, peace within, turn to the earth, soul to the sky. Keep your spirit strong, keep your dreams alive. Take me where our hearts belong, where love keeps beating like a timeless song, where every tear can turn to rain, and every sunrise heals the pain. Take me where the good vibes flow, where two strong hearts can grow and grow. No matter how far the journey may be, your heart has a home right here with me. Where our hearts belong, that's where I wanna be. Through every storm, through every sea, your heart has a home right here with me. Deep bass softens, warm horns echo, guitar skins, tight When the world gets heavy, come on. When the road gets long, take my hand. Love is the journey, hope is the light, where our hearts belong. Tree production, adoration, direction, intro, intro. Create the wrong country deal and atmosphere with slow tape saturation. Muted reggae guitar, organic Maya beat with function, electric keys, distant and hard tones, and a deep bass landing in Gaje. Using the ladder, all for reggae bass line with tight drums, grips dance for percussion, guitar skanks, soda in bubbles, and restrain horn responses. Pull back the drum pattern slightly and let the vocal breathe. Build tension using old Ashley's. Shake a good traction, bass movement, and warm on parts. We're running to a full reggae fusion arrangement with thick bass. Right to drum. Come home. Win with the time. Shut back the journey, need today. Why you ready? One love. Strip to the range and down to organic and young. These spurs to club. I'll be real hard. Help to me on the voice. And vintage tape delivery. Bring back the complete swivel again. Stronger horn, a national hole, and maximum the most. I know it's a minimal. Gradually fade the bass, guitar, and drum, and horn into one vintage tape. Echo. Soft guitar scan, deep bass centers. Your bingy jumps in the distance. Warm on echo, yeah. Oh, when love is real, you don't have to chase it. You just keep believing. I've been walking through the city lights, thinking about you through the quiet nights. Every little memory brings me near. Every heartbeat tells me you're still here. We've had our moments, we've had our days, found our way through complicated ways. But every time the road gets hard, I find your love right where you are. So don't worry about tomorrow, don't let yesterday bring sorrow. If the road gets rough again, I'll be there until the end. Meet me in the morning when the sun comes through. I'll bring all my hopes and dreams to you. If the night gets heavy, we'll make it bright. Two hearts together can overcome the night. Meet me where the ocean meets the sky, where every broken dream learns how to fly. We'll keep believing, whatever we go through, a better tomorrow starts with me and you. Oh, feel the love flow, yeah, yeah. Let the good vibes grow, deep bass rolling, sweet horns calling. Keep your heart open, we keep rising. There were times when the road felt lonely, times when the world didn't understand me, but you gave me courage to carry on, like the first warm light before the dawn. We don't need a perfect life to smile, we just need love that can run the miles. If one falls down, the other will stay. We'll find a reason star view. I climb that mountain next to you. No matter how long the journey takes, love gives us strength to face our day. Meet me in the morning when the sun comes through. I'll bring all my hopes and dreams to you. If the night gets heavy, we'll make it bright. Two hearts together can overcome the night. Meet me where the ocean meets the sky, where every broken dream learns how to fly. We'll keep believing whatever we go through. A better tomorrow starts with me and you. Wheel it back, let the rhythm ride. One step forward, no stepping down. Love in the heart when we move through town. Hands up high, let the whole place know. Good energy everywhere we go. No wall too high, no road too long. When we stand together, we become strong. From island shores to distant lands, love builds bridges with open hands. Peace in the heart, hope in the mind. Leave the heavy days behind. One love, one heartbeat, one hope, one family, one dream, one destiny. Rise together, set us free. Drum speaks truth, soul speaks peace. Let the love increase. Meet me in the morning when the sun comes through. I'll bring all my hopes and dreams to you. If the night gets heavy, we'll make it bright. Two hearts together can overcome the night. Meet me where the ocean meets the sky, where every broken dream learns how to fly. We'll keep believing whatever we go through. A better tomorrow starts with me and you. Morning light, shining bright. Love will lead us through the night. Me and you, me and you, making every dream come true. Baseline settles, arms echo softly, and your bingy drums fade. When tomorrow comes, I'll still be here. When the road gets long, I'll walk beside you. One heart, one love, one future. Meet me in the morning.
Na 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 na. Whoa, this is a love that won't break, a love that the hard times can't take. When the whole world turns away, we'll find another road today. This is a love that stands strong, a love that keeps moving along. Hand in hand, heart to heart, no storm can tear our dreams apart. Whoa, keep the good love flowing. Whoa, feel the rhythm growing. Baseline deep, heartbeat strong. Love is where we both belong. From the morning light to the midnight blue, every little blessing reminds me of you. We don't need perfection to make it right, just two strong hearts willing to fight. If you stumble, I'll help you rise. If I lose my way, be my guiding light. We'll turn every setback into something new, because what we build is stronger than what we go through. No mountain too high, no river too wide. With faith in our hearts, we'll reach the other side. This is a love that won't break, a love that the hard times can't take. When the whole world turns away, we'll find another road today. This is a love that stands strong, a love that keeps moving along. Hand in hand, heart to heart, no storm can tear our dreams stories, but the same heartbeat. Love brings everybody together on the beat. No fear, no hate, no turning back. Keep your spirit strong and stay on track. One road, one family, one hope, one destiny, one love, let it shine. One world, yours and mine. Love on the earth, heartbeat of the soul. Lift every spirit, make every broken dream whole. This is a love that won't break, a love that the hard times can't take. When the whole world turns away, we'll find another road today. This is a love that stands strong, a love that keeps moving along. Hand in hand, heart to heart, no storm can tear our dreams apart. Won't break, won't fade. Through every night and every day. Won't break, we'll stay. Love will guide us all the way. Warm horns echo into the distance. Bass remains deep and steady. When the rain comes down, we'll still be standing. When the road gets rough, we'll keep believing. One heart, one love, one rhythm. A love that won't break.
Vintage tape echo, soft guitar scan. Now you think your drums rising. Oh, when the road gets dark, I see the light. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let the bass line roll, let the good love flow. Boy, when the morning comes and the rain is falling, I hear your love like a distant calling. You bring me peace when the world moves fast, a gentle fire that was built to last. I walk through nights with no place to turn, carried the lessons I had to learn. Then you came close with an open heart and gave my broken dreams a brand new start. When the pressure rises, I won't lose control. Your loving strength keeps steadying my soul. Hand in hand, we face the storm. Together we keep each other warm. You're the light by my side when the shadows fall. The voice in my heart when the world feels small. We rise, never giving in. With love as our strength, we begin again. Light by my side, shine wherever we go. Through the hard times, still a good love grows. One heart, one dream, let the whole world see. Love is the power that can set us free. Hey, hey, keep that love alive. Hey, hey, feel the rhythm rise. Bassline rolling, hands keep calling. No more fear now, we keep moving. From the corner shop to the city skyline, every soul needs a little sunshine. A hand to hold when the road gets steep, a promise strong enough to keep. We don't need riches to feel complete, just truth in our words and love in our beat. If you fall down, I'll help you stand. Together we'll build a better land. When the mountain stands in front of our way, we'll climb it slowly day by day. No storm forever owns the sky. After the rain, we rise up high. You're the light by my side when the shadows fall. The voice in my heart when the world feels small. We rise, never giving in. With love as our strength, we begin again. Light by my side, shine wherever we go. Through the hard times, still a good love grows. One heart, one dream that the whole world see. Love is the power that can set us free. Turn up the drum and let the speakers shake. Move with the love that no hate.
No matter the color, no matter the name, we all feel joy and we all feel pain. So spread good love from shore to shore. Open your heart and unlock the door. One heart, rise. One love, shine. One hope, strong. One voice, one song. Drum to the ground, horn to the sky. Freedom in our spirit. We were born to fly.
You're the light by my side when the shadows fall. The voice in my heart when the world feels small. We rise, never giving in. With love as our strength, we begin again.
Light by my side, shine wherever we go. Through the hard times, still our good love grows. One heart, one dream, let the whole world see. Love is the power that can set us free. We rise, love will survive.
Light by my side, forever alive.
Deep face softens, horns drift through tape echo.
When the road gets dark,
Don't lose your way.
love is the light that guides us every day.
One love, one heart,
One rhythm, keep the light by your side.
soft guitar scan, warm organ. This time I bring it drums. Oh, when the night comes down, when the world gets loud, I'll be right here. Let the bass line roll, let the good love flow. When your dreams feel heavy on your shoulders and the road ahead gets dark and colder, take my hand, don't turn away. We'll find the sun beyond the gray. I don't promise life without the rain, but I'll stand beside you through the pain. Every step, every rising tide, with love and faith, we'll survive. So lean on me when your strength runs low. I'll remind you of the light you know. No storm can break what we have grown. Together we'll always find our way home. Coming to the shelter of my heart, where no distance can pull us apart. When the world keeps changing every day, my love will never fade away. Rise with me, let your spirit fly. Lift your voice to the open sky. Through the fire, through the dark, we'll start. Safe forever in the shelter of my heart. Hey, oh, love will guide us home. Hey, oh, never walk alone. Peace line deep, heartbeat strong. We turn our struggles into song. Hey, oh, let the whole world see. Love and hope will set us free. I've seen people lose their way in sorrow, waiting on the promise of tomorrow. But every seed beneath the ground knows one day it will rise somehow. So don't give up when hope feels small. The strongest roots grow through it all. Like a river finding out its course, we move ahead with love as our force. When the mountain seems too high to climb, we'll take it one more step at a time. Your heart and mine, one beating sound. With every fall we'll stand our ground. Coming to the shelter of my heart, where no distance can pull us apart. When the world keeps changing every day, my love will never fade away. Rise with me, let your spirit fly. Lift your voice to the open the drums speak loud. Hands in the air for the whole crowd. From the hard times straight to the light. We keep moving, we keep the fight. No chain on love, no lock on dreams. We're stronger than we sometimes seem. One people, one voice, one destiny. Plant good love and let the whole world see. One heart, beat as one. One love, shine like the sun. One hope, never retreat. One rhythm, feel that beat. Drum to the earth, soul to the sky. Hold your head high. We were born to rise. Coming to the shelter of my heart, where no distance can pull us apart. When the world keeps changing every day, my love will never fade away. Rise with me, let your spirit fly. Lift your voice to the open sky. Through the fire, through the dark, we'll start. Safe forever in the shelter of my heart. Oh, shelter of my heart. One love, one hope, never hug applause. I'm gonna say it softly. Take the late fees. When the road gets long, when the rain comes down, remember this love. You'll always have a place, a light, a song, in the shelter of my heart. One love, vintage tape echo, distant horn, deep bass rising. Oh yeah, under the moonlight we find our way. No more shadows, no more games. Tonight, let the truth speak. One heart, one love, rise up. You came into my life like morning sunshine. Turn all the broken roads into a straight line. I've seen the rain fall hard upon the ground, but when you're near me I hear a sweeter sound. No need for hiding what the heart can see. Real love grows when the soul is free. Through every valley, every mountain high, we'll keep believing, you and I. No more running from the light, no more losing sleep at night. Put your hand in mine, we'll leave the fear behind. When the world gets cold, our love will keep us born. Truth in the moonlight, love in our eyes. No more pretending, no more disguise. Hold me forever, don't let hope fade. We build our future on the love that we made. Rise with the rhythm, high and free. One love flowing like the deep blue sea. Truth in the moonlight, strong as can be. Your heart and my heart, forever free. Hey oh, let the good love flow. Hey oh, let the whole world know. Deep bass rolling, sweet on calling. Love keep rising, never falling. I know we've walked through fire before, seen closed windows and a locked door, but every lesson made our spirit strong, and every heartbeat carried us along. So if tomorrow brings another storm, I'll be the shelter to keep you warm. No chain can hold what love has found. We'll lift our voices with a joyful sound. When the road feels long, we'll sing another song. From the dust we'll rise, with fire in our eyes. Every scar we wear is proof that we're still here. Truth in the moonlight, love in our eyes. No more pretending, no more disguise. Hold me forever, One step forward, never step back. Love in the heart and strength on the track. Beat that drum till the sun comes through. Stand for the people, stand for what's true. No hate, no war, no dividing line. Your dream is yours and my dream is mine. Together we rise, together we stand. Peace and love across every land. One love, we rise. One hope, open your eyes. One heart, strong and free. One word, in unity. Drum beat low, horn cry sweet. Feet on the earth, soul to the beat. Truth in the moonlight, love in our eyes. No more pretending, no more disguise. Hold me forever, don't let hope fade. We build our future on the love that we made. Rise with the rhythm, high and free. One love flowing like the deep blue sea. Truth in the moonlight, strong as can be. Your heart and my heart, forever free. Oh, truth in the moonlight, let the whole world see. Oh, truth in the moonlight, love will set us free. All straight into vintage echo. No more shadows, no more fear. Love brought us through, and love keeps us here. One heart, one love, one rhythm, forever free.
When the night gets cold and the road gets rough, you remind my soul that love is enough. Through every storm, through every test, your beating heart puts strength in my chest. They can build walls, they can close the door, but we keep finding what we're fighting for. Hand in hand, we don't run away. Turn every dark night into brighter days. So lift your eyes, don't lose your way. The sun still shines beyond the rain. When the whole world says we can't survive, we light the fire and come alive. Fire in our hearts, fire in our souls. Love keeps burning when the cold wind blows. Side by side, we're never alone. From the island breeze to every home. Higher we rise, higher we go. Freedom in the rhythm, let the whole world know. Fire in our hearts, never let it die. One love, together we were born to fly. Hey, 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 turn it up, let the good vibes flow. Hey, 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 love and unity, let the whole world know. Whoa, fire in our hearts tonight. From Kingston streets to the far off shore, we're dreaming of peace and a little bit more. No chain on the spirit, no fear in the mind. When love leads the way, every soul can shine. Mama said, hold on, better days will come. Father said, stand strong, don't forget where you're from. So we beat that drum with a joyful sound. Plant good love and watch it spread around. No matter how far, no matter the pain, we find our strength and rise again. With every heartbeat, with every song, together in love, together we're strong. Fire in our hearts, fire in our souls. Love keeps burning when the cold wind blows. freedom and love for all mankind. One heart, one love, one voice, rise above, one dream, strong and free. Love is the power inside of we. Rise up, rise up, the light is coming. Fire in our hearts, fire in our souls. Love keeps burning when the cold wind blows. Side by side, we're never alone. From the island breeze to every home. Higher we rise, higher we go. Freedom in the rhythm, let the whole world know. Fire in our hearts, never let it die. One love forever, we were born to fly. Let the bass line carry us, let the horns play sweet. Through love, through hope, through unity, we rise. Fire in our hearts, forever free. One love, one destiny.
Need some baseballs, Christmas passion, guitar scan, warm horn echoes, yeah. Oh, feel that heartbeat, feel that vibration. When love comes alive, you can't hide the feeling. Let it roll. You walked in with the sunrise on your face, and suddenly the whole room changes pace. There was something in the way you smiled, made the hardest road feel worthwhile. I don't need to know what tomorrow brings. When you're beside me, I can handle anything. Through every high and every low, you got a fire that makes my spirit glow. Come closer, let the music play. Leave all the heavy thoughts away tonight. We're gonna celebrate, two hearts moving at the same rate. Feel the heat of the heart tonight, burning like a flame in the moonlight. When you move, everything feels right. Love got the whole world shining bright. Feel the heat, let the rhythm take control. Let that sweet vibration reach your soul. Hand in hand, we're fearless and free. Your love brings out the best in me. Hey, hey, feel that fire. Oh, oh, take it higher. Bassline rolling, drum beat calling. Good love rising, never falling. We've had days when the clouds covered the sun, but we kept moving till the battle was won. Every challenge made our foundation strong. Every setback gave us another song. So when the road gets rough beneath our feet, we'll turn the struggle into something sweet. No matter what tomorrow has in store, we'll find a way to rise once more. No fear, no doubt tonight. We're stepping forward into the light. Every heartbeat, every sound, love keeps lifting us off the ground. Feel the heat of the heart tonight, burning like a flame in the moonlight. When you move, everything feels right. Love got the whole world shining bright. Feel the heat, let the rhythm take control. Let that sweet vibration reach your soul. Hand in hand, we're fearless and free. Your love brings out
One heart, one people, make a brand new start. One heart, beat as one. One love, shine like the sun. One hope, rise above. One world, powered by love. Drum of the earth, heartbeat of the sea. Freedom in our spirit, love will set us free. Feel the heat of the heart tonight, burning like a flame in the moonlight. When you move, everything feels right. Love got the whole world shining bright. Feel the heat, let the rhythm take control. Let that sweet vibration reach your soul. Hand in hand, we're fearless and free. Your love brings out the best in me. Feel that heat, feel that love. Take it high, higher above. One heart, one love. We rise together. Great basement tenemos. Horns echo through tape delay. The third rattling fades. Keep that fire burning. Don't let the light go down. Through every storm, through every night, love keeps us moving. Heat of the heart. Tied up production and narration. Direction. Intro. Open with the deep sub-bass pulse. Rich for organic production. Music guitar skanks. Subtle electric keys. Warm and all drone and toe. Enough for spirit tape delay. Be the round of vibe for lock this line. With tight down Sandros. Coming the head for passion. Guitar shine. Horn that bubble. When occasional horn responses. Reduce the beat intensity. Psychic. Let the bass breathe. Wild harmonies. Psychic. And rising horns. Be about dissipation. Bring the full reggae fusion sound. Divine. What she tracks. Woman all on Mars. With thick guitar. Soulful lucky time. Soulful lucky time. Soulful lucky time. I am Bingy. Break down. Strip back to organic hand drum. Sparks the dark. And the spirit high. Him tell you not boxing. Him tell you love holy. We in the West that come nasa. Grab the mics. And the Dyson. What's the beat on? One love. Take it higher. Deep bass rolls in. Now you bring your drums and chord. Guitar scan. One rise through tape delay. Oh yeah. Some feelings come and go, but some love stays. Through the rain, through the fire, let the rhythm speak. I tried to hide what my heart was saying. Tried to walk away, but the feeling kept staying. Every road I took brought me back around, like a heartbeat pulling me
alone. But when I look into your eyes, I see the reason we survive. I can't silence this love in my heart. Can't let the darkness tear us apart. When the whole world says we're going wrong, our love keeps telling us to carry on. I can't silence this love tonight. It keeps turning every shadow into light. Through every storm, through every fight, we'll keep choosing love and doing what's right. Oh, can't silence it, yeah, 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 yeah. Can't hide from it. Baseline rolling, online calling. Love keeps rising, never falling. We've seen the sunrise after heavy rain, found our laughter after moments of pain. Every scar became a lesson to learn. Every cold night made our warm hearts burn. If the road gets rough, I won't disappear. I'll stand beside you when the trouble gets near. Because the strongest love isn't free from pain. It's the love that keeps standing through the rain. So let the past become a stepping stone. Build tomorrow with the seeds we've grown. When our faith becomes our guide, there'll be no need to run and hide. I can't silence this love in my heart. Can't let the darkness tear us apart. When the whole world says we're going wrong, our love keeps telling us to carry on. I can't silence this love tonight. It keeps turning every shadow into light. Through every storm, through every fight, we'll keep choosing love and doing what's right. Wheel it up, let the rhythm run. No bad mind can stop this vibration. Love is stronger than separation. From the island shore to the city lights, we're bringing good energy into the night. If your brother falls, give him a hand. If your sister cries, help her stand. Different stories, different ways, but love can unite us through all our days. One heart, one love, one people, rise up. One heart, we stand together. One love, strong forever. One hope, never die. One dream, reach the sky. Drum of the earth, breath of the soul. Love brings healing, love makes us whole. I can't silence this love in my heart. Can't let the darkness tear us apart. When the whole world says we're going wrong, our love keeps telling us to carry on. I can't silence this love tonight. It keeps turning every shadow into light. Through every storm, through every fight, we'll keep choosing love and doing what's right. Can't silence it. Can't hide it. This love is alive. This love will survive. One heart, one heart, one love. Forever we rise. You want me to go around, echo softly. Bass remains deep. Guitar skank and my opinion vibrants gay. When the night gets heavy, listen to your heart. When the road gets rough, don't let love depart. Hope is still alive. Freedom is still ours. Can't silence this love. Shine production operation. Talent challenge. Make sure. Open with a deep one bass pulse. Organic 9mm hand drums. Muted guitar scans. Sons and electric keys. And distant all around horns. Drenched in vintage tape echo. Use a rich melodic radio bass 9 with 3 jumps. Carry behind with that shot. Wheel the guitar.
Love can survive the rain. If the heart is true, there's always a way back. Let the rhythm run, yeah. We have walked through moments we can't erase, carried our mistakes from place to place, but every morning gives us one more chance to choose forgiveness, to choose romance. I won't pretend that life is always easy. Sometimes the weight of the world can get heavy, but if your heart still reaches out to mine, I'll meet you there, one step at a time. No more hiding behind yesterday. Let every tear wash the pain away. If we still believe in what we started, we can heal the places that were broken hearted. I'll keep my promise through the fire, through every storm and every trial. When the road gets rough and the night gets long, I'll hold your hand and keep moving on. I'll keep my promise through the rain, turn every sorrow into strength again. If love is the road we're walking on, I'll choose you from dusk until dawn. Oh, love don't surrender, yeah. Hearts grow stronger, bassline rolling, drums keep calling. Through every struggle, we keep rising. Trust is a seed that we have to grow, watered by the truth in the words we show. No perfect heart, no perfect day, but real love finds another way. When temptation tries to pull us apart, we remember why we opened our hearts. And if the world puts pressure on our door, we'll stand together, stronger than before. Let the past remain where the past belongs, build tomorrow with a brand new song. Every lesson made our spirits wise, every challenge opened our eyes. I'll keep my promise through the fire, through every storm and every trial. When the road gets rough and the night gets long, I'll hold your hand and keep moving on. I'll keep my promise through the rain, turn every sorrow into strength again. If love is the road we're walking on, I'll choose you from dusk until dawn. Wheel it up, let the bassline speak. No more lies, no more games. Real love stands when the pressure remains. If you stumble, I'll help you rise. If I lose my way, be my guiding light. From the island breeze to the city street, let unity move with the rhythm and beat. No hate, no fear, no dividing wall. Lift up your brother when you see him fall. One love, one heart, fresh beginning, brand new start. One heart, we stand together, strong forever. One love, never die. One dream, reach the sky. Drum of the earth, voice of the soul. Healing begins when we make ourselves whole. I'll keep my promise through the fire, through every storm and every trial. When the road gets rough and the night gets long, I'll hold your hand and keep moving on. I'll keep my promise through the rain, turn every sorrow into strength again. If love is the road we're walking on, I'll choose you from dusk until dawn. Through the fire, through the rain, we'll find our way. We'll love again. One heart, one love, one promise. Warm horns echo, deep bass remains steady. Guitar skank and Naya bingy drums slowly fade. When the night gets heavy, remember what we promised. When the road gets rough, don't let go. Love can heal, love can restore, love can open every door. Through the fire, we'll stand together. Ocean breeze and dance, soft guitar skank, Naya bingy and drums, warm hand sweat. Oh, yeah, some love arrives quietly, then changes everything. Let the rhythm breathe. You found me when my heart was tired, when every dream felt uninspired. You didn't promise me an easy road, you simply helped me carry the load. Now every sunrise feels brand new, because I know I'm walking with you. When the world gets loud and pulls us apart, I hear your truth inside my heart. No need to run, no need to hide. Keep your hand right here in mine. If the road gets rough tonight, we turn the darkness into light. This is love beyond the horizon, a fire that keeps on rising. Through every storm and every sea, your heart keeps calling out to me. Love beyond the horizon, stronger every time we're tested. No distance can change what we know. Wherever we stand, our love will grow. Oh, let the good love flow. Yeah, never let it go. Best line rolling, sweethearts calling. Through every challenge, we keep standing. We have seen the rain fall on our dreams, but life is more than what it sometimes seems. Every broken piece can find a place, every lost soul can rediscover grace. If tomorrow brings another fight, I'll walk with you into the night. And when the morning finally appears, we'll celebrate the strength that brought us here. When the mountain blacks our way, we'll climb it slowly day by day. No storm can own the sky forever, two strong hearts can rise together. Yeah, this is love beyond the horizon, a fire that keeps on rising. Through every storm and every sea, your heart keeps calling out to me. Love beyond the horizon, stronger every time we're tested. No distance can change what we know. Wherever we stand, our love will grow. Wheel it up, let the rhythm rise. Move with the bass line, step with the drum. Love getting stronger till the morning comes. No bad mind can break this connection. Love is the answer, hope is protection. From island shores to the streets downtown, lift somebody when they're feeling down. No border can stop a loving heart. Unity is where the healing starts. One love, one people, one dream, one future, one heart. Be together, one love, rise forever, one world. Shine bright, one world, walk in light. Drum of the earth, voice of the soul. Love brings healing, love makes us whole. This is love beyond the horizon, a fire that keeps on rising. Through every storm and every sea, your heart keeps calling out to me. Love beyond the horizon, stronger every time we're tested. No distance can change what we know. Wherever we stand, our love will grow. Beyond the horizon, we'll keep believing. Beyond the horizon, we'll keep achieving. One heart, one love forever rising. Deep bass softens, guitar scans continue. Horns echo to vintage tape delay. When the road gets long, keep walking. When the night gets dark, keep believing. Love is the journey, hope is the light. Beyond the horizon, oh. In production and arrangement and direction. Intro, begin with soul career in and yant. Clean music guitar, warm electric keys, organic naya pinye and drums, and distant and all arts. Introduce a deep bass punch, punch beat. Use a rich Milana every race line with tight drums, crisp dancehall percussion, guitar chops, organ bubbles, and restrained horn responsive. Pull back the drum pattern and let the bass and lead vocal play, ballet and horn and lean shakers. Atmospheric exchange and rising high, open into a powerful radio fusion. Big deep bass, tight drums, warm and all rise. Rhythmic guitar, soulful rocking guitar, soulful rocking guitar. Why have been on down? Strip the production down to organic and drums. Dead sparse, sparse guitar. And the sphere the arts, and Canyonan, and Canyonan. Bring the complete arrangement by with bigger horn lines. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gradually fade the guitar, dance and drums and bass.
Warm and all can swell, deep bass pulse. Yeah, you bring the drums. Look at our skank. Yeah. Oh, oh. Some people carry a light that no darkness can hide. But the rhythm speak. You walk in and the whole room changes. There's grace in your spirit, strength in your patience. You've seen hard days, but you still smile. Carrying your dreams through every mile. You never needed riches to shine. Your greatest treasure lives deep inside. When the world tried to tell you who to be, you stood your ground and stayed free. So lift your head, don't hide your glow. There is a strength the world should know. Every scar tells a story of how you kept your faith and made it through somehow. You are the queen of the sunrise, strong in your heart, bright in your eyes. When the whole world says stay down, you rise again and wear your crown. Queen of the sunrise, fearless and free, a beautiful life for all to see. Through every storm, through every drum beats strong, your light keeps moving all night long. I see the courage behind your smile, the quiet strength you've carried for miles. You give your love without losing you, and make broken hearts believe again too. When the road gets steep and the rain comes down, you don't surrender, you don't back down. You turn your pain into something bright, and teach every soul how to fight for the light. No chain can hold a fearless soul, no storm can stop a heart made whole. Every step that you take today shows someone else a better way. You are the queen of the sunrise, strong in your heart, bright in your eyes. When the whole world says stay down, you rise again and wear your crown. Queen of the sunrise, fearless and free, a beautiful light for all to see. Through every storm, through every fight, you turn the darkness into light. Wheel it up, let the bass line talk. Step to the rhythm, move with pride. Keep your strength and never hide. Every woman, every man, every soul has a light that can make them whole. No division, no hate, no fear. Lift somebody when they need you near. From the Caribbean Sea to every land, love and unity go hand in hand. Raise your voice, raise your heart. Every new day is a brand new start. One heart, one people, one love, one family, one hope, one vision, one word, one destiny. Drum of the earth, light from above, strength in the spirit, power in love. You are the queen of the sunrise, strong in your heart, bright in your eyes. When the whole world says stay down, you rise again and wear your crown. Queen of the sunrise, fearless and free, a beautiful light for all to see. Through every storm, through every fight, you turn the darkness into light. Keep shining, keep rising, never let them dim your light. Queen of the sunrise, forever proud. Soft guitar skank, warm horns, deep bass, distant hand drums. Keep walking, keep believing. Your story isn't over. Your brightest day is still ahead. One heart, one love, one light. Queen of the sunrise.
Ocean Andans, warm guitar skunk. Me up in the percussion, deep bass slowly rising. Whoa, yeah, yeah. When the morning touches the sea, there's one place I want you to be. Right here, let the bass line roll. Every sunrise brings another reason to thank the heavens for this season. Through every road that we have crossed, we found each other when we felt lost. I don't need diamonds in the sky, just your hand when the days go by. When the whole world feels uncertain, your love opens every curtain. Come on closer, don't be afraid. Some kinds of love were meant to stay. When the rain begins to fall, I'll be your shelter through it all. Come a little closer, let your heartbeat show. Stay beside me wherever we go. When the night gets cold, I'll keep you warm. We'll turn every struggle into something strong. Closer than the
calling, hands together, never falling. We have seen the clouds cover the blue, but every storm brought me back to you. When yesterday left another scar, you reminded me how strong we are. So if tomorrow brings another test, we'll face it knowing we gave our best. No mountain can stop a faithful heart, no distance can make true love depart. When the road gets rough, hold on, every dark night meets the dawn. If your courage starts to fade, I'll remind you of the promises we made. Come a little closer, let your heartbeat show. Stay beside me wherever we go. When the night gets cold, I'll keep you warm. We'll turn every struggle into something strong. Closer than the sunlight touching the sea, closer than a dream could ever be. Two hearts together, fearless and free. Your love is the rhythm that carries me. Build up, let the rhythm rise. Move it the bass line, step with the drum. Good love shining till the morning comes. No bad energy can break this chain. We turn every hardship into joy again. From the Caribbean breeze to the world outside, let love be the reason we stand with pride. No walls between us, no reason to hide. Different roads, but the same heart here inside. One love, one family, one dream, one destiny. One word, one rhythm, one love, one vision, one hope. Rise higher, one word, light the fire. Drum of the earth, heartbeat of the sea. Love brings us together, love will set us free. Come a little closer, let your heartbeat show. Stay beside me wherever we go. When the night gets cold, I'll keep you warm. We'll turn every struggle into something strong. Closer than the sunlight touching the sea, closer than a dream could ever be. Two hearts together, fearless and free. Your love is the rhythm that carries me. Closer, come closer to me. Through every storm, through every sea, your love keeps carrying me. Warm horn armlets, soft guitar skanks, deep bass, tape echo fading. When the world gets loud, I'll hear your heart. When the road gets long, we'll never be apart. One heart, one love, one rhythm. Closer than the sun. Soft guitar scan, gentle bingy drums. Deep bass slowly enters. Oh yeah. When the rain starts falling, when the whole world feels heavy, come closer. Let the rhythm speak. Let the love lead. When the morning feels a little colder, I'll be the strength upon your shoulder. When your dreams seem far away, I'll remind you there's another day. We've walked through roads we never knew, but every step brought me closer to you. And when the darkness tried to stay, your love helped chase the clouds away. So don't be afraid, don't carry it alone. Wherever you wander, you can always come home. When the pressure comes, we'll face it side by side. With love in our hearts, there's nothing left to hide. Hold me through the
stronger. Bassline rolling, drums keep calling. Through the hard times, we keep rising. I don't need a perfect road to follow, just your hand when the days feel hollow. Every scar is a story we survive. Every sunrise says we're still alive. If the world tells you that you can make it, look inside and know you can take it. There is power in the love we share, and a brighter future waiting there. When the mountain stands too high, we'll climb beneath the open sky. One more step, one more day, nothing can take our hope away. Hold me through the storm, don't let me go. Keep that loving fire burning slow. When the world gets cold, be my warmth. We'll find our way through every storm. Stay with me, let the whole world fade. This kind of love will never be afraid. Heart to heart, with our spirit strong. Together we can keep moving on. Wheel it up, let the bassline run. Step to the rhythm, move with the beat. Love in the heart and fire in the feet. No bad mind can destroy this sound. We lift each other when we gather around. From the island breeze to the city lights, keep spreading love through the darkest nights. No border, no wall, no dividing line. Your happiness matters just like mine. One love, one people, one dream, one future, one heart, beat together, one love, strong forever, one hope, never fall, one voice, rise above all. Drum of the earth, breath of the soul, love is the rhythm that makes us whole. Hold me through the storm, don't let me go. Keep that loving fire burning slow. When the world gets cold, be my warmth. We'll find our way through every storm. Stay with me, let the whole world fade. This kind of love will never be afraid. Heart to heart, with our spirit strong. Together we can keep moving on. Through the storm, through the rain, we'll find sunshine once again. Hold me close, don't let go. Together, we'll keep moving on. Deep beat continues under soft horns and distant concussion. When the rain comes, I'll be your shelter. When you're tired, I'll be your strength. When the road gets long, we'll walk it together. One heart, one love, one rhythm. Hold me through the storm.